Hi boys and girls, and welcome back again to Ralph's Garage of Chaos. Do you know how to check how much fuel your car is taking, how many miles per gallon again? I'm going to show you now an easy peasy trick. Because I'm anal, I always check my mileage every time I get fuel. So how I'm going to show you how to do it. Now I'm here. That is how many miles I have on my car. I reset it when I filled it up the last time. So you're going to take your number, go to your phone. Come on, wrong finger. All right, that was the mileage I got the last time. Granted, I'm down here in freaking Florida, so I'm gonna hit. That's the last mileage. I'm gonna hit that. Reset it. So 200.1 miles. Divided. You hit the divided button, and then you can hit that reset. That's 0. So now I'm gonna start by that. Now I'm going to put fuel in the car, and see, try not to run your vehicle below quarter tank, because your fuel pump is in fuel. That's what keeps it cool. So if you have high mileage on your vehicle, you don't want to freak your fuel pump out by and plus you're sucking up all the crap in the tank. You don't want to do that, especially if you don't have a freaking fuel filter. This thing has a fuel sock on the pump, so always keep your fuel at quarter tank. All right, now I'm gonna fill it once this lady's done scratching her legs and filling her car. Now you take that number, seal 10.913. Now you see, I got it 0. All right, but I wrote down the mileage. Hopefully I can get this. See, 200.1 by the receipt is somewhere there. $10.913. And this, I divided the mileage by the gallons. There's 18.3359296. That's how you check what kind of mileage your car is getting. Don't forget, I got the air conditioner on. I'm down in South Florida, and yeah, down south. See how nice, sunny, and hot it is. It's 90 degrees out, so I'm not running without my air conditioner. So that's how you check your fuel mileage. Now, if you do that consistently, you'll see how your car is running. Never run your car below a quarter tank of fuel. Trust me. You'll be hard up when that pump goes out in your tank. They say, "Oh, I spent $4,000 or $5,000 to get my freaking fuel pump changed." No, always keep at least a quarter tank of fuel. At least a quarter tank of fuel. Yeah. Did you subscribe? Check me out. Yeah, I got more stuff than this simple stuff to show you. So like, subscribe, comment, good comments, and let the video finish to the end, please. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. So I showed you easy peasy way to show the calculation of the miles per gallon your car is getting. So you take your miles you drove, hit the reset button. When it only works if you do it next fuel up. Hit the reset button on the dash, 0 mileage, drive it until you're ready to put fuel in it. get to the gas station, put your fuel in it, take the amount of gallons, take your mileage that you got, so 200 miles like we did, and how many gallons, is it 10 point whatever, and it came out to 18 and change. So you take your mileage, what's the gas you put in it, divide the gas, and it'll give you what are you getting for the miles per hour. Now what you can do is take that number, write it down, take your fuel that you wrote down, what you cost, $30. Take $30 divided by whatever mileage you got, and I'll tell you what it's doing per mile. How much it costs you per mile. This is another easy trick to show you how to see how your car is performing. Granted, if you have the AC running all the time, you don't have the AC running all the time, if you have your car full of too much crap, people, it's going to change it. It's going to change it a little bit, depending on what your vehicle is capable of doing. So, hit like, hit subscribe, hit that little belly thing on the corner there, and so the next time I have something, you'll see it. So, but give me some content. What do you want to see? The sky's the limit. So let me know. Catch you next time. Bye.